Seatbelt fasten and carry-on items stowed until the aircraft has confirmed to the gate and the captain has turned on fasten seatbelt sign.
You're telling all these lies, boy. You said you needed space, but you're out right now, drinking with your friends, having a good time. But when you're feeling lonely, you come back around. You come back around. Oh. I'm done picking up your pieces. I'm done healing all your scars. You say we're done, but then next morning you regret what you said, huh? Here we go again. You tell me we're just friends, but then you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back and tell me that you need my help. Here we go again. So tell me where your friends at. 'Cause you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back and tell me that you need my help. All these thoughts are just running wild. You treat me so bad, but then you love me right. I can't get this off my mind, oh. I'm done picking up your pieces.
So being back in Ohio is actually really exciting for me. When we were in Daytona, I was watching all of these builds drive by and I was looking at them. They all looked so freaking awesome. I was not aware of how many 6.0s attended Daytona. And I didn't know people were still into 6.0s. I thought I was the last crazy one here. But anyway, with that being said, and us being back in Ohio, I am ready to finish this build just as much as you guys are ready to see it finished. But before we get to that point, I do want to take care of some small stuff, starting with my diff cover. I did order my diff cover a really long time ago. So here's the diff cover I ordered a while ago. I kind of forgot about it, but it's still here, still hanging out. So, not super exciting, just my diff cover. I will link this in the description. I think I got this off eBay or Amazon or something. So when I do the axle, we will already have the diff cover done and put the new diff cover on. So I did put a poll up on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, be sure to check it out and follow me. I put a poll up asking if I should paint my axles white or black. The polls did say white axles over black, and I agree. I have to do that soon, not today. I have to order some new paint. All right, you guys, so that's enough of me talking. I say we start to get some of this stuff done and get right into the video. What's up, you guys? It's a new day and I'm gonna try not to confuse you guys because yesterday I ran around like a chicken with his head cut off trying to figure out what to do to the truck. Let me give you a really quick rundown. So we took the plastics off the bed yesterday, and the point in that was to completely strip the bed of the adhesive, the plastic, the metal, everything, get it ready to paint. So just so you guys are a little bit more caught up and so it doesn't look like I'm running around doing 50 projects, which I am, But as far as that goes, the eraser wheel should be here on Friday, and we'll finish up the bed and it'll be ready to sand and paint. So just wanted to catch you guys up on that. We're kind of just waiting on a bunch of stuff. Today, though, we are going to paint the axle, and it's not going to be white or black, so you guys will have to wait and see for that. We're about to do that now. We're trying to make this list so we can kind of time it up better with Ryan's schedule and my schedule, so just bear with me. I'm really not trying to confuse you guys because I know when it gets down to me editing, it is very confusing sometimes. So today we're starting fresh by painting the axle to start, and then doing the diff cover, sanding the diff cover, and also powder coating the diff cover. And we're gonna go from there. I'm not gonna confuse you guys with 50 other things because it can get a little bit crazy around here. So anyway, my arm is so tired. Oh. So with that being said, I wanna get this axle painted and ready to get on the truck. So when we do it, it's done and it can be out of the driveway. All right, you guys, let's just get started.
Turn it that way a little bit. Okay. You're good.
Mixing my rust encapsulator together. We did just the matte rust encapsulator like we did on my frame, and then did with this paint thinner by 20%-ish. I think I did 20%. We just mixed it in the can. It was just easier. We're gonna pour it into our gun and shoot the axle with the rust encapsulator first, and then go on top with the other paint.
In this story,
backlash written on me, card popping on a passport. I've been ballin', free my ladies and counting down. I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me, cold running from the pole, and it's on me. Don't know which way we going now, I don't wanna know it. Might as well be going down, I don't wanna know it.
we're going up.
Got our matte black rust encapsulator on the axle. We just did a very light coat. You really just want to miss that stuff on there. I did make an oopsie at the beginning. It definitely started to drip a little bit, but not too worried about it. So I'm doing blue. I'm gonna match it to the color of my truck. I don't know, it was just thrown out there last minute and I'm totally down for it. So yeah, we get to play with the blue color a little bit today. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up. We're also going to be using the medium reducer. All of the instructions are on the back of your paint can too if you're doing this at home. I'm not a genius. I'm not pulling this out of, you know, my encyclopedia and my brain. It's just on the back of the can. So yeah, same with the rust encapsulator. It does say to reduce it 20% on the back of the can. So yeah, so we're gonna do the same. We're not reducing this. We are reducing this. So we're gonna reduce the blue. It says 2 parts blue, 1 part of the reducer. So we're gonna do that.
We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go down red. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest. In this story, we're going under, and there's nothing we can do.
Look at this. It looks so freaking good. With the white diff cover, yes, please. It's gonna be hot. All right, you guys, so that's gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I know we didn't get a lot done, or it didn't seem like a lot, but honestly that axle has needed done for a really long time. And we got to spray our blue paint, which is the same blue paint going on the truck, so we got to see a big piece done with the color, and I'm still obsessed, not changing my mind. It is so freaking bright. I'm in love with it. But anyway, that's gonna go ahead and conclude today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the little bell so you're notified every single time I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.